Today at Elwood Farm Machinery with a Case 885 XL 4-wheel drive with newish tyres all the way around, fully glazed cab, nice tyres as you can see, 3-point linkage, pickup hitch, 540 PTO and 1000, auxiliary spools. It is road registered if you want to go to the shop. More good tyres around here. In the cab we've got a seat for sitting on. We'll lock the world away. There you go. Good visibility all the way around as you can see. Power steering, which is effortlessly. Running lovely with a working handbrake. On the rear, we've got linkage up, down. PTO's working but can't see it from in here. Very simple and easy to use tractor. Flat out. Drop it into fourth. More flow. Good brakes, which will stop you dead. Or if you tow anything, it'll definitely stop that. And the gearbox is really easy. There's high, first, second, third, fourth. We're off. Take her steady over these bumps. Drop it down a gear. There we go. Very agile tractor, as you can see. Sounding well. Brakes, very good. Very simple to use. That's reverse, straight back. Beep, 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 beep. Stop her there. Put the working handbrake back on. There she is for you. Case 885 XL Super 2. We do have loaders available for this tractor, but we've also got loader tractors available, so get in touch. We're open to Part X as well, so if you've got anything to get rid of in Part X for this, that's not a problem. Get in touch. Thank you very much.